Today, the FED had a meeting about the reduction of the size of the Federal Reserve balance, and now have a look what is this impacted for Bitcoin. So when we are here at the Bitcoin price in the 4-hourly chart, we see a massive pump to the upside, which also could be some by the reason of the FED meeting. So, but let us also look which will we see at the next times. Will we see a break from our support line here up to the upside, or will we go up to the downside to 37,000 US dollars? And for this, let us also look at the weekly chart from Bitcoin. And here on the weekly chart, we see that we have a green weekly candle, which is very, very good for a bullish sign for Bitcoin. And we also see that we are breaking into our support channel right now. That's a little bit clearer when we go to the 1-hourly chart. And there we also can see that we get a reaction here. So that we get reacted like here, because this support line right here is now first a resistance line, so we could maybe see a little reaction before we start a new move to the upside. And what we also have to know when we look on the EMA ribbon, that the EMA ribbon is also actually as a resistance. So it's one at the daily chart. We have here the EMA ribbon, which was here like acting like a support, and then we see a move to the upside. As we broking the EMA ribbon, it's acting like a support, not a support, like a resistance, and then we seeing lower prices, testing it here again as a resistance, as here a resistance, as here as a resistance, and now here again as a resistance. But for more times we tested the resistance zone, we can see a break to the upsides. And this is also what we see in the 4-hourly and in the 1-hourly chart later, that we are now in the 4-hourly chart and also in the 1-hourly chart broke this EMA ribbon to the upside and catching here as a support. So it's a good sign actually, first of all, for us. And in the 1-hourly chart, we see that the EMA ribbon is a little bit near our prices, which could be the scenario I told you in the beginning of the video, that we see a little move to the downside, testing the ribbon again at the 1-hourly chart, and get then a massive move to the upside and to higher prices right here. So, and also have a look on Ethereum, because at Ethereum we also see, when we look at our 4-hourly chart, we see our breakout we predicted yesterday. And congratulations on everybody who took this Ethereum trade. You are actually in profit over 3 to 5% with 10x leverage, also 40% into profits. What's absolutely crazy. So definitely a good trade. And when you also want to trade, you can go under this video in the video description or in the first comment. There you get a bonus link. So click this link on BYBIT or on Phemex. Register, deposit some money, start trading, and also earn some great profits. But also have a look on some other coins. First of all, we want to look on some other coins. The first one is the Crow token. And here we see, that we go to the 4-hourly chart. Here we see that what we are talking about in the last videos. And if you don't and when you miss out the video about the Crow token, why Crow is absolutely crashing in the last days, over 30% into the downside, then you definitely watch one of my last videos. I talking whole situation about Crow, so definitely check this out. It's popping up right now here. Now for Crow, I have talking that we have here a support line, and we can also catch a trade on this support line right here. And if you catch this trade, you are 25% in profit, so also a great trade. And have a second look also on Tron. And here we see, we zoom a little bit outside to the daily chart, that we have here our Tron move to the upside, a correction, new to the upside, then a crash up to the downside, getting here our support and resistance, crashing also down, and now we are pending here and start a move to the upside. And when we also have a look what price levels are here, we can first of all took here some support lines, and the last support line also here. Then we start this move to the upside. We broke on the daily chart this very strong support line, so it is a good sign that we see higher prices for Tron. And the next support line will be first of all this level at 9 cent 6. Yes, that will be the next. And then we have a look on the 4-hourly chart. So we see here that we have a little bit reaction. So we can also look on the EMA ribbon here. And here we see also the same as in the Bitcoin or in the Ethereum prices, that that we are over the EMA ribbon, that we can see higher prices in the next few hours. So in the price target from here to here would be 12% up to the upside, so also a good move to trade, or also a good area to buy more Tron coins to get a good wallet, a good portfolio for the next whole years, I think. Yes, and that's about this video from this day. So don't forget to leave a like, to set a notification bell on, and also subscribe to the channel that you never miss out one of these videos like this. And then we see in the next video. Bye bye.